Let's look at page 36, question number 39. Now they gave this equation in the question, and they gave us a table of information, and they want us to find, for each planet, find the time it takes for a rock to drop from a height of 150 feet to hit the surface. So they gave us a whole table of values, so I'm going to make a table a little bit easier to understand. This would be our G values. We have 32 for Earth, we have 12 for Mars, we have 76 for Jupiter, we have 30 for Saturn, and we have 2 for Pluto. And we want to figure out our time. So if our G is 32 the first time, and the things we need to recognize is that our height, when we get done, it's hitting the surface of the Earth, so our height is 0. We're going to use the value of G given from the table, and our height is always 150. So let's get this solved. So we're solving for t every time, so all we have to do is plug in G into our equation. So I'm going to subtract 150. So that's going to give me, I'm going to go to a smaller font so I can get more written on the page. We have a negative 150 equals a negative G over 2 times t squared, because we're trying to determine the amount of time it takes for the rock to hit. So I'm going to cross multiply, or I guess invert multiply. So I'm going to multiply by 2 over a negative G, so times 2 over a negative G. So now I have 300 over G equals t squared. We're going to find the square root. And remember, we can't have negative time, so actually we're just plugging in the values into this equation. So we know that our time is equal to plus or minus 300 divided by G. But we know that we can only have positive time. So if I plug 32 into that equation, for the first one, 300 divided by 32. So let's plug this through our calculator. 300 divided by 32 gives us 9.375. We take the square root of that. That gives us a time of 3.06 seconds. Now let's plug in 12. We have t equals 300 divided by 12. Here we take the square root of 300 divided by 12. That doesn't work. Square root of 300 divided by 12 gives us 5. If I plug in the value of 76, square root of 300 divided by 76, that's going to give me 1.986. And then if I plug in 30, well, that's just the square root of 10, so that'll give us 3.16. And there are more digits, but I'm just rounding to the nearest hundredth or thousandth, depending. And then if we plug in 2, that'll give us the square root of 150, which is 12.25. So now we know how much time it takes on the different planets to be able to hit the ground if they were dropped from a height of 150